What if I told you that your mornings are either making or breaking your weight loss after 40? Most women don't realize this, but just a few changes to your morning routine can completely transform your metabolism and shrink stubborn belly fat. In this video, I'll reveal 5 powerful morning diet hacks for women over 40 that can do exactly that. And somewhere in this video, I'll also share a secret solution that's helping thousands of women speed up their results. So stick with me, you don't want to miss it. I am your well-wisher, and welcome to Eat Fit Repeat, your home for science-backed diet strategies created especially for people over 40. If you've been trying everything but nothing seems to work, don't worry, you're about to discover a different way. Start with hydration, but not just water. Most women know they should drink water in the morning. But here's the key, after 40, your body benefits more from activated hydration. Warm water with lemon or a pinch of pink salt replenishes electrolytes, kickstarts digestion, and gently wakes up your metabolism. Plain water is good, but this small tweak makes it a fat-burning ritual. Break your fast the right way. Breakfast literally means breaking the fast. The mistake women over 40 often make is breaking it with sugar, cereal, muffins, fruit juice. This triggers a blood sugar spike, followed by a crash, leading to cravings all day long. Instead, start with protein plus fiber. Think Greek yogurt with chia seeds, or eggs with avocado toast on whole grain bread. This keeps blood sugar steady and fat burning switched on. Front load your fiber. Fiber becomes even more important as we age, not just for digestion, but for hormone balance. Soluble fiber in the morning, like oats, berries, or flaxseed, slows down sugar absorption, lowers cortisol, and reduces belly fat storage. It's like putting your metabolism on cruise control for the day. Coffee the smart way. Yes, you can keep your coffee. But here's the secret: skip the sugar, skip the flavored syrups. Black coffee or coffee with a splash of unsweetened almond milk actually boosts fat burning thanks to caffeine. But if you load it with sugar, it cancels the effect. If you're not a coffee fan, green tea works just as well, giving you a metabolism lift without the crash. Protein within 1 hour of waking. After 40, your body naturally loses muscle mass. Less muscle means slower metabolism. That's why including protein in your first meal is critical. It could be eggs, a protein shake, or even cottage cheese. Getting 20 to 30 grams of protein within an hour of waking helps preserve muscle and turns your body into a fat-burning machine. Now, even with all these powerful hacks, many women still feel their metabolism is slower than it used to be. That's completely normal. Hormonal shifts after 40 make weight loss harder. And that's why some women add a natural supplement to support fat burning and hormone balance. If you're curious, I've linked one of the most trusted options in the description below. It's designed specifically for women over 40 and has helped many get back their energy and confidence. Quick reminders: try to eat your breakfast sitting down without rushing. Avoid checking your phone first thing in the morning. Stress raises cortisol and blocks fat loss, and if possible, step into natural sunlight for 5 minutes. These simple habits amplify your results. So, those were the 5 morning diet hacks every woman over 40 should start today. Which of these will you try tomorrow morning? Drop your answer in the comments. I love hearing from you. And don't miss my next video, 7 anti-aging foods that keep you young after 40. Trust me, these foods don't just help with weight, they also fight wrinkles and keep your skin glowing. See you in the next one.